Hey, 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 what are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Let's start with some cards and see what we get. 2929. I am a symbol of perseverance and determination. No challenge is too great for me to overcome. I persist with unwavering focus, knowing that all my efforts will lead to success. 444. Stability. I am grounded and secure in my foundation. The universe supports me in all of my endeavors, providing stability and strength. I stand firm and confident, knowing I am divinely protected. Trust. Allow me, divine, to give you my deepest longings, trusting you to know exactly how to handle them. Opportunities will soon knock at your door. Debt will be wiped clean and your bills will be paid in full. Your finances are about to change. What would you do with the extra financial freedom? Ooh, that one's stuck. What's a special gift you've received? This special gift could be a physical thing, an experience, or wisdom. How did this special gift benefit you? How did it make you feel, and how has it changed your life? Give thanks for the gift and the path it has taken you on. Trust. Trust your intuition. The universe guides you. Number 11. Deep quiet, meditation, and stillness. That is how you get the answers to all of your questions. Number 444, protection, transformation, courage, alignment, clarity, purpose, strength, divine love. Prepare for the blessings you've been waiting for. They're on their way. You were born for a higher purpose. Focus your energy on your goals and trust that the universe will align the right people, opportunities, and resources to realize your dreams. 0707, compromise, self-awareness, forgiveness, empathy, professionalism, resilience, and freedom. Release what no longer serves you and let go of grudges. Openly express your emotions and seek compromise. When understanding is lacking, it's best to move forward, embrace the truth, and it will set you free. Alrighty, let's check out this little box of quotes and messages. Remember to make the most of your life with all of its challenges and adventures. We all affect one another's lives. Your reactions and responses color your aura and attract your lessons. Diana Cooper. Repeat these statements throughout your day and week. I am the creator of my reality. I consciously choose thoughts, emotions, and energy that align with love, abundance, and infinite possibility. Perspective number 5217. Your body is carrying every no you didn't say, every boundary you didn't set, every truth you didn't express. It's time to heal you and your body with love. I breathe in peace and exhale everything that no longer serves me. And the last one today. Tip number 475. Pick one thing beyond your control and let it go, just like that. Transcending BS. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.